If you're on the fence about whether to add the gems to your kitchen, stick around and let me walk you through it. First off, this machine is a total game changer for coffee lovers. It comes with all essentials: a measuring scoop, tamper, and a portafilter that's perfect for both ground coffee and ASE pots. Plus, it's got two sides of filters for those single or double shots you crave. Now, let's talk about the extras. You get these two little mugs. A quick start guide packed with some killer coffee recipes. Trust me, they are a lifesaver if you are new to the coffee game like us. Before you dive in and start brewing, just a quick tip. Make sure to remove all the tape, especially the plug under the water tank. It's an easy step but super important. You can make espresso, latte, cappuccino, froth milk with one touch, and this also has clean button. If you want more foam, turn this knob to the right and turn left for less foam. Here is the removable drip grid. You can adjust the height by inserting this drip grid in the height adjusting slot, in case you use small cups like this. Alright, let's get brewing. I'm making the cappuccino dry now. First thing first, fill up both tanks with water at max level and turn on the machine to prime it. You can easily find the instruction in the manual. Now for the milk, you can use whole milk, low-fat, or whatever floats your boat. Fill up the milk reservoir and the water reservoir too. Next up, add your coffee with a scoop. You can use the tamping part to press the coffee. And place the portafilter underneath the brew head. Just turn it right to block it in place. Make sure the frothing tube is pointing inside your cup. Press once for a small size cup or twice for a bigger one. Now comes the fun part. Wait for it. The milk will come first, then coffee, pushing the milk on top to create the perfect frothy cup that we love. And there you have it, a delicious cappuccino straight from this mrcoffee machine. The best part is so easy to clean because everything is pretty much designed to be removable and washed separately. So, if you're looking for a convenient way to make espresso, latte, or cappuccino at home with froth included, this might just be the machine for you. Give it a try and see how it works out for you.